In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can set up your wireless microphone on your PC. So it's very much simple and easy. Today, there are two different mouth ports. So the first one is this. This is the popular one in old PCs and laptops and computers. And now new computers or laptops come with this, which is the USB. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. After inserting it at the port of your laptop, it's not going to work automatically. You need to make some settings. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So after inserting it in your port here, now move to this side and then you right click on your sound here and then you choose your sound here like this. So here you move to your recording. I have my wireless microphone inserted in my PC. That's what I'm using here. So you can see this is microphone here. When I talk, you can see it's leveling here. When I talk, it's leveling. And this is the default one. So now you need to select this and then you choose OK. So now let me come here and then let me show you guys some settings you can adjust to as well. So now select this once again. And when you come here and you are not seeing this here and you are seeing the default one here, then it means you didn't insert it right. So sometimes you need to check the port. So the port for microphones and earpiece or headphones are different. So you need to check. They have a sign there on most computers and laptops. So you need to check that. So after doing that, you can come here and you can right click here to, look at the properties or, configure it. So now let me tap on the properties here. So here you can make some editing here, which is the levels. You can adjust the level of your microphone and then the sharpness, which is the microphone boost. I don't recommend you bringing it high. So you just need to turn on the volume up and then you turn this low, something like that. And then advanced here too, you can make any settings of your choice and then you close it. And then you can set it to default here. You can see it's a default device. So now I tap on the OK to turn it on, and that's it on how you can set up your wireless microphone on your PC or laptop. If you are new here, if you are using any of these ones here, if you are using the new version and then the old one, which is used by a lot of PCs. So if you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, kindly let me know in the comment section. I'm going to do well to give you guys an answer on that. So that's it for the video. Peace.